In queues 30 or 40 strong, they head for the drop-off on the ocean side of the lagoon. It seems that they know the way from the overall direction of current and swell, which remains constant at this depth. Lines join together into longer lines. Sometimes 60 lobsters will be marching one behind the other. The migration takes place within a few days each year, and then the whole lagoon floor is covered with parallel marching columns. Travelling in line reduces the drag of the water on an individual by as much as half. But there's another reason why it's better to march in this way. If they are threatened, they can form defensive circles. A triggerfish, one of their main enemies. It wants to attack the vulnerable legs, but it has little chance of getting past the ring of spear-like antennae. But a solitary traveller is in trouble.